Morning, guys. About to go do another job, picking up junk and clearing out clutter. Follow along. Morning, everybody. Time to go pick up some junk. Morning, everybody. Time to go put some people to work. Time to let the dog out. Happy Monday. Yeah. That sucks. Hope he doesn't quit. Me and Nate are talking about a guy who might quit on us. I hope not. It's been good so far. You keep the crew going. But it happens, huh? Yeah. Alright, guys, here we are at a rental unit. As you can see, it is pretty filthy. So, we're going to clean out all the trash. Of course, get all the debris out. Mattresses. Not a whole lot in there, about a trash bag worth that.
They go loud.
A little bit of stuff right here as we gotta go through the basement. You can see they built some kind of defense mechanism here. So, yeah.
Shit.
Just a little bit of stuff. Just clean that up a little bit up there.
Yeah.
Table. That's about it.
It smells better in an episode.
Yeah, the basement does smell a lot better. Alright, so let's go outside and take a look at the garage, guys.
Yeah, he said that's the full part.
Follow us along. Yeah, the garage is way funner. These guys got a little bit of stuff. Backyard. Little toys. Little debris, a little bit of trash. Little stuff along the fence.
Oh no, that ain't good.
Well, can't necessarily open the door, but
Oh wow.
we'll get her out of there.
Yeah, that's the trailer.
Oh yeah. So we got a trailer full back here, plus at least a truck full in the house. So we'll get her done. Getting it cleaned up, guys. Get it cleaned up. Make sure you wear proper gloves, guys. Fill up your truck right, get in here, open up windows, get some fresh air coming in. Alright guys, shovels, lots of trash bags. Follow along, subscribe guys, thanks for watching. Alright guys, midway through here. So you got the kitchen almost done here. Getting out to the basement area. Well, we got the garage door open, guys. That's filled it all in front of there. Got junk by the shovel full? Give JF Hauling a call, we'll get it out. Hey guys, you can see the floor though. Bunch of mattresses. Still working on the trash. You can open the door all the way almost, pretty much. Quick little estimate. Let's see. A little bit of furniture there. A little bit of stuff here. Not bad, we'll get rid of it. Okay guys, we are done. And they requested that we get all the carpet out. So we went ahead and removed that. It's the kitchen. Of course they got a lot of cleaning to do, but we got most of the bulk of the trash. Got the mattresses out of here. Bathroom's clean. Way to the basement. It's way better. Didn't start out with a whole lot down here, but we got that big table that was over here down. Stuff up there gone. Back room cleaned out. So, got her done, guys. Can't complain. Alright, guys, so we are done with the garage. As you can see, we're able to get in there. Getting the last mattress now. Big difference once you can get in. Actually open the door.